Today we're going to demonstrate calibrating an S485. From the grade control screen, you'll have to press and hold the first and fourth soft key, then let them go. That will get you to your hidden tuning menu. We will then scroll down to our auto cal, press OK. You now have the option to select from left elevation, SLS, and right elevation. We typically start with our left elevation. We'll then press OK. That will give you a series of configurations to put the machine in order to calibrate the left elevation. First is temperature of the machine's hydraulic system needs to be 100 to 150 degrees. Next, you need a laser setup from 75 to 100 feet away. You're going to then lower the elevations equally, 50%. You're going to stay off of the machine because you want it as level as possible. Your receivers and coil cords have to be installed, and then you're going to raise the RPMs on the machine. You'll then press the OK. It will ask you that if it's okay for the vibrator to turn on. The vibrator will then turn on once you press OK. It will then ask you to calibrate the machine. You will press OK, and that will begin the auto calibration. It will begin from 0 up to 100%. Once it's complete, you'll be able to go back and proceed on with the other side of the calibration.